Sama si Sir. Nawala yung aray ko. May space dito. Hindi ka. Sana hagip ka.
Okay, daw
Amen. Hi, sir.
dito. Yung mga lalaki sa likod.
Hi, sir.
Sobrang vlog.
Hi, guys. Welcome to... Sure na, sir. Parang ganda ng lighting. Actually. Over. Hey now, the world comes to...
Ayan, point. Certificate is proudly presented to Mr. Clyde J.V. Villanueva
Ano yung waiting
for
sa
the
akin?
invaluable time, expertise, and insightful conversation rendered as a distinguished guest during the Media Coded. Your significant contribution has profoundly enriched the students' learning experience and served as a powerful inspiration toward excellence in the dynamic field of communication and creative writing.
Wow, super ka naman ng... Ang ganda ng frame nila, black.
Kaya nga, ang ganda.
Wow.
Palakpakan guys.
Shake it up.
Si Cash at si Aya. Mga Cash at Aya. Sige, sir.
Pwede ko na.
Hindi yung ano to.
Kundi lang. Kundi lang. Isang tingin sa lang.
Eh di, gaganto na ako para kumano siya ng konti.
Hindi ko kaya kaya.
Thank you so much. Yeah, bago tayo magtapos, may I na call Ate Kashmir to deliver the closing remarks.
Hello po.
Ano? Future kay Doc Alvin.
Ladies and gentlemen, an excerpt from
Kay.
Future kay Doc Alvin.
Hello po. Ito po yung story namin. There are many people with untold stories. I went to school really hungry. And I feel so weak. Then, I played what? And I played, ano to?
Twist?
And I played Twist and Shout by the Beatles. Then went to sleep. These experiences are reflections of who we are. Although it feels so right to be who you are, there's always a reason. There's always a reason behind those experiences. I want to give, but future still holds. Future holds, therefore I go to Doc Alvin to learn and become the best version of myself. The end.
Yeah.
Very
Wala pa
nice.
yung kwenta.
Makikita mo talaga